guys, it's back with another ICO review. So in this video we're gonna be reviewing Xsolus ICO. So this ICO is based on blockchain web and app solution development. So if you are interested in investing in this ICO, then the link will be given in the description for this website. So let's get started with the video. So after visiting the website, the first will be the explainer video in which they will be explaining each and every concept of their website. After clicking down, you will find about section in which information about the website will be given. Xsolus website comprised of IT solution specializing in blockchain technology application, web and mobile development. Their team comprised of solution architects, software developer, UI and UX designer and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. They have their headquarters in Panama with their global branch in Hong Kong, Singapore, Philippines, Canada and United States. Xsolus website founder has experience of over around 50 years and are actively in cryptocurrency, blockchain development and mining. Our founder also have wide range of related industry experience including in finance and trading. Means the founder of this website have really great information about financing and trading, almost about 50 years experience. Xsolus seeks to contribute to the cryptocurrency blockchain community by continuing to grow a global team of like-minded individuals to build real-world solutions, innovate blockchain-related technology, and increase the stability and governance of actors in the community. Means they are seeking to contribute in blockchain cryptocurrency community by continuing to grow a global team of like-minded individuals to build real-world solution of blockchain-related technologies. Going down, you will find products in which different products are mentioned like open source blockchain, cryptocurrency exchange, crowdfunding, ICOs, and wallet and payments. After that, you will find services. They have different type of services like software, web, mobile, designs, incubator. We are cultivating relationship with partners, both new and existing, to build real world solution that will revolutionize our world. Each of these projects will leverage our own best of breed technology, which will realize the promise of blockchain and cryptocurrency. They have some project that will be coming after, which they have given some teaser and they will be disclosed it soon during the upcoming projects are announced. That they have some project like direct democracy, business networking, stable cryptocurrency, global relief, learning system, video debit platform, curated streaming, task management. After that they have team information. The team have that after that they have team information. The team comprised of solution architects, software developers, UA and UX designer and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Xsolus believe in power of decentralized system, democratic finance, censorship resistance, transparency and involvement. In their team there are lots of intelligent people which have knowledge on different fields like software development, UI and UX designer, cryptocurrency enthusiastic, solution architects. You can directly contact to the team member by clicking on their image in different social medias. Section of contact, they have their information and their address is given, so you can feel free to contact them by their telephone number. Xsolus has their headquarters in Panama with presence across in Hong Kong, Singapore, Philippines, Canada and United States. You can contact them on their email ID, that is info@xsolus.com for more query. You can also get notified for the newsletter by typing your name and email address and submitting it. You can find exactly their location on the map given in the website. After that, let's go to this menu and let's see the crowdfunding. Now let's check out their crowdfunding, blockchain service and product ecosystem development. Again, they have their explainer video from where you can go through it and check out the features and which will be given in the details. Executive summary. Xsolus is specialized in blockchain technology application, web and mobile development. They have the same detail mentioned in the main page, and here you can find their branches. The headquarters is in Panama and their founder has an experience of 50 years in blockchain development and mining. You can find out the skills of the, and here you can find out some percent of skills related to their community, that is their team members, that 28% people comprise of software industry and 35 of the web. And here you can find some basic information that was mentioned in the main page, that is their home page. Same motivation, why are we doing this, and here is a motivation part which will help you get motivated to invest in this project. If you are interested in investing in this project, then the link will be given in the description, so go and check it out. So let's check out the motivation. Why are we doing this? A career technologist and cryptocurrency enthusiast with a global vision to realize the potential of blockchain and cryptocurrency in every aspect of our life. Means they have started this to realize the potential of blockchain and cryptocurrency in every aspect of their life. Means they are telling the use of the blockchain in the daily life necessaries. Team awareness increases the presence of strong product and service providers will be critical to the success of the community as whole. Likewise, we are concentrated that bad actor will ruin the opportunity for everyone. This crowdfunding will allow us to be one on the leading product and service provided in the community. Our hope is to contribute to the industry and community in every way possible and to enable other success by providing jobs to talented individuals and enabling our partners and customers with reliable services and the best available tools and technology. And here you can read all the stuff, different differentiators. Means they are telling how they are different from other ICOs and websites. You can go through all the stuff and read carefully before investing. So you can crowdfunding. Our goal is to raise 4,000 BTC during our crowdfunding in exchange for their coins. They accept Ethereum, BTC, Litecoin, and Dashcoin and Ripple as their payment. Coin holders will have the following properties like product and service, employment opportunities, trading, upcoming crowdfunding. We would like to set the standard for the community for crowdfunding event. Lessons learned will be applied for future crowdfunding event for our partners and customers. Project starting. CoinSale will be starting on May 1st. That means it is already have been started and will be running for 4 weeks till May 29 until sold out. Subsequent round may happen sooner based on demand. Means if the demand is more, they will add more weeks and round to the sale. And here you can find the schedule, how much coin will be sold at how much price, and here is the distribution of coin, use of the funds raised for the crowdfunding, and you can find the use of the funds. And here is a roadmap that will explain the details of each and every concept from where they have started and how it will be after some time. And here is the overview of the team again as mentioned on the home page. So here is the end of the video. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.
Of things we know.